Oh no. IMEMs. 44 military. Oh, these are pretty cheap. At least a little bit. I think maybe a little worse than the others. Like 50 military, I'm not too sure. But these are equally just as cheap. Just leave that brown. Listen to that chime. No chime. Never mind that. Oh yeah, somebody's getting on. Going down?
Yeah, it's just...
Oh well, of course it's Electra, the ones who installed this. Yeah, these have the worst motors apparently, from what I saw from Benno's video. Yeah. LCD is just fine, not really the best. Hopefully there's the chime. There we go. There we go, that's what I was after. It's a lot more like the Cone KDS. These likely were old Otises, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we'll have to see. Maybe they were EPO likely. Not this Otis. I guess I would say from here. 1997 too. But that's about it.